Hey guys, welcome to part 10. Today I'll be sharing with you some of the ways in which the Holy Spirit has blessed me to indulge. Firstly, let's start off with a tissue holder that I bought from AliExpress. I was particularly drawn to the crushed glass effect that it had, though it's actually plastic. Next up, we have the Diptyque 34 candle. It has a really floral yet soapy fragrance. Next up, we have the Humidifier. I bought this simple diffuser for my bedside while sleeping. It has a cloudy appearance and lights up nicely for bedtime. And finally, we have the L'Occitane Rose Shower Gel. I'm a fan of rose bath products and wanted to expand. I just wanted to close by saying I'm so grateful for my heart to be expanded in ways to love myself. I'm hoping this video inspires you to indulge in self-care.